Hi guys. My problem here was on my 2005 Buick Rainier. When I turned the ignition on, there would be a loud clicking sound coming from under here. There's an actuator. I thought I had to replace it, but I figured out a way to fix it. Other videos I saw did not fix the problem. There we go. What I did was I turned the ignition on to the on position, and I pulled out the HVAC fuses. So number 10 here, 10 here, and number 30 here. Sorry about that. Let me see. The 10 here, the 30 above it, and this 10 here. They're labeled here, and I removed those with the ignition on, put them back in, and it reset the actuator that is located way up there, which I don't think I'd be able to replace on my own. So that helped me. Hopefully it fixes your clicking sound. And the other problem was the vent. It's the vents. It would not switch from, it was stuck on the floor vent, and I couldn't get any other vent to open. Hope this helps, guys.